Hello and welcome to Project 9, the Easter date calculator. This is your hint video, and essentially all I'm doing is looking at the PDF at the moment because you have the code right here, which I have updated with the correct screenshot. Let me zoom in a little bit here, see if I can help it a little bit. All right, this was written as a function. Yours won't be a function. It'll be in your main. Actually, main is a function, but that's where it's going to be in your main code. This is Visual Basic or Basic, probably very old. However, you can just port this over to C Sharp. Now, the only thing I have you do, you can use these same variable names, declare them, make sure you initialize them to 0 or whatever. Sorry. However, these two will change. The name should be day and month. All right. So basically, this is it. I've given it to you. You don't even have to worry about it. Now, the modulus operator in C++ is the percent sign instead of the keyword mod. So make sure that you take care of all that. And let's go ahead and look at this. And I've also given you a link at the bottom of this document where you can go out and check yours. And I'm going to try to run one here in a little bit maybe. Let's see. Declare integer, so it tells you how to do that. I mean, it's basically just copying what you got. Place your logic inside a do loop, which will continue executing until the user is ready to quit. So 0 or negative number should stop the outermost loop. Prompt the user for a given year. A year less than 1583 but greater than 0 is invalid. A year greater than 4099 is invalid. So it has to be between, it can be 0 or any negative number to quit, right? So you have to allow that. But the valid range above 0 is 4100, between 1582 and 4100. Okay. Excuse me, less than 4100 but greater than 1582. So that's your range. Your program shall provide output, blah, blah, blah. You can look through here and see what it's supposed to be outputting. So you will have one function outside of main that will return a string, basically. And it's going to be the, actually it's going to be the suffix, not the prefix. It's going to be the end. So you're going to return st, nd, rd, th, and you're going to pin that into your cout, into the actual date. It says without using a function, deduce the month text from the month number. In other words, they're going to, Easter always occurs on the 3rd or the 4th month, I think. I can't remember. I believe that's correct. You'll have to look and see, but I think that's right. So if the month number is 3, then you'll output into the output string March. If it's 4, it would be April. Yeah, I think that's right. Hint, ternary operator, remember that? This requires research outside the textbook. You've already seen this before. So that's going to be in your output stream. All this stuff occurs in your output stream. You don't have a separate call to your function. The call occurs within the cout statement. That's really the only challenge to this. I mean, it's just not that difficult. And you can figure out up here at step number 5 which days have ST, which days have ND. I mean, there's several days, not necessarily in sequence. So a switch statement, an if statement, something like that would work. And depending on where it falls, you're going to return ST, ND, whatever. So you return a string. So the ternary operator determines whether it's March or April from within the C output statement, the cout statement. And the function call occurs within the cout statement. All right, you have to do it that way. It's not hard to do. You just have to figure out, how to set up the syntax. And here's a little site where you can calculate your dates. I'll just pull this up. I won't run. Whoop, I'm not connected. Oh, whoopie-doo. How about that? I should be. Anyway, I can't go to that because our network must not be working correctly right now. But anyway, you can click on that. And gosh, there's just not much to say about it, folks. It's not difficult. This is an easy one. I've done all the work for you, or somebody else has, actually. This is somebody else's work, not mine. So there you go. Enjoy.